CS Murkomen, please, for the respect of this young man, you are yet to grow a child up to the age of 31. Can you immediately resign? You are not fit to be in that docket. Please, I beg you, it is not personal.
Nĩ ũmwe wa maseneta marĩa marorete minista wa ũgitĩri Kipchumba Murkomen ũthiũ-inĩ na kũmũria atige wĩra we hamwe na mũnini wa mũnene wa borithi Eliud Lagat kũrũmĩrĩra njikaĩkanio cia gĩkuũ kĩa mũrutani na mwandĩki wa nenda Albert Ojwang.
Does DIG Lagat have to be in office? Would the whole police service crumble just because DIG Lagat steps aside? We have seen even more senior people stepping aside.
We know you as a serious police officer. We've been wondering why these killings under you. And now that Lagat is the person we have found to be who he is, we can now very well see who has been undermining you.
Maseneta maya moretie anja cia kĩrĩa gĩacũngĩrĩirie Ojwang arutwo kuma Homa Bay o nginyagia ceceni ya borithi ya Central mũciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi, na ona kwao Homa Bay kwĩna ceceni cia borithi na maabitha o ũthuthuria.
I also have children, Murkomen. So we are here pained for what the police have done. You're murdering a Kenyan in a police cell. Somebody's only child. How heartless can you guys be in the police force? So we want to know why. Why was this young man, Ojwang, booked alone in a cell at Central Police Station? If this was not cover up.
That this evidence has been deconstructed. This is not original evidence. This is not a true record of what happened to Ojwang. And I am very sad that the Inspector General of Police, in my opinion, I'm giving my opinion, a parent who is here.
Just ask your question.
Yeah.
Kaja oretio atige kũhithĩrĩra ambĩke kĩng'ang'a-inĩ nĩ amoragire Ojwang na no wa matũmĩte amu kũringana na riboti ya IPOA arĩ na nguraro cia gũitwo na kũgũthwo na kĩndũ gĩtuhu.
Untold suffering, stigma to the family of Ojwang by purporting that this gentleman killed himself when the autopsy clearly reveals that he was killed in the hands of police. Can you direct the IG to apologize and withdraw on the floor of this house on the strength of the autopsy report?
No mwena-inĩ wake, minista wa ũgitĩri augĩte kũringana na watho we no aheanirie ũteithio o ũrĩa wothe rũhonge rwa borithi rũrabatara, ndarĩ na mahinya ma kũingĩrĩra wĩyathi wa honge icio. Gũkũ mũnene wa borithi akiuga ũthuthuria nĩ wambĩkĩtwo nĩ rũhonge rwa gũthũrima mĩtugo ya maabitha borithi.
Something has to be done. But Mr. Speaker, he has asked a very pertinent question as to who is the culpable person through my eyes. Mr. Speaker, unfortunately, the Constitution did not give me the eyes to see who is culpable. Those eyes have been given to the investigatory authorities under 245 of the Constitution.
That you say you have no eyes, CS, while we have seen you recently having very sharp eyes on political comments made by people, and you have been actually calling for the arrest of people making political statements that are not suitable to you. How can you have no eyes when a young man has lost his life in the hands of the police?
And you have the audacity to come and face the Parliament of Kenya and tell Kenyans that you don't see, you don't know.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga wa Wambui.